In this video, we will learn how to create abstract logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Select Rectangle tool. Now select Ellipse tool and follow. Hold the Alt button and drag for copy. Now select all the shapes and select Shape Builder tool. Follow the setting. Remove all the extra elements and copy the main design. Go to Effect menu and choose Drop Shadow. Now select the Rotate tool and rotate the shape 90 degrees. For more Illustrator, Photoshop, and AI tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.